In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.2, question number 4, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Simplify the following. Part number 1, that is iota power 9. Iota power 9 can also be written in the form of iota power 8 dot iota. Iota square whole power 4 is equal to 4 times 8. So 8 can also be written in factors form, that is iota square whole power 4 dot iota. So value of iota square is equal to minus 1 whole power 4. Minus 1 power 4 is equal to plus 1. So 1 dot iota is equal to iota. Second part, that is iota power 14. Iota power 14 can also be written in the form of iota square whole power 7. So value of iota square is equal to minus 1 whole power 7. So minus 1 power 7 odd number, that is, so value of minus 1 whole power 7 is equal to minus 1. Next, third part, that is minus iota whole power 19. Iota power 19 can also be written in the form of minus 1 dot iota power 19 into minus 1 iota power 18 dot iota. So minus into iota square whole power 9 is equal to iota power 18 dot iota. So minus into minus 1, iota square is equal to minus 1 power 9 dot iota. So minus 1 power 9 odd number, that is minus 1. So minus into minus 1 is equal to plus 1 dot iota is equal to iota. So next, fourth part, that is minus 1 whole power minus 21 divide 2. So minus 1 whole power minus 21 divide 2 can also be written in the form of minus 1 whole power 1 divide 2 and whole power minus 21. So under root of minus 1 can minus 1 power 1 divided by 2 can also be written in iota square form. Iota square is equal to minus 1. So square 2 multiply 1 divided 2 cancel. So iota power minus 21. Take iota power minus 21 in denominator, that is 1 divided by iota positive 21. So 1 divided by iota power 21 can also be written in separated form, that is iota power 20 dot iota. So iota power 20 can also be written in the form of iota square whole power 10. 10 2 times 20. So iota square is equal to minus 1 power 10 dot iota. Minus 1 power 10 is equal to plus 1 dot iota. So 1 divided by iota by rationalization, iota divided by iota. So iota divided by iota square is equal to minus 1. Iota divided by minus 1 is equal to minus iota, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah.